Hey guys.
Hey.
I'm Tyler from I Think It's Ryan, and this is Joey from I Think It's Ryan, and you're watching Disney Channel. Today we have a very special vlog for you. A very peculiar one at that, because Ryan's not here. It's just these two fellas. We got a big problem upstairs in our rooms. There's no AC, and it's summertime.
Except for my room, I have it all.
He does have an AC unit, but me and Ryan don't in our rooms. And the air is not traveling from his room to ours very well. I don't want to get 2 more AC units for me and Ryan's room because that's going to cost too much, and that's a big power waste. So I looked into some DIY air conditioning, and I like what I saw. The pricing's nice, you know, it's cheap. So we're gonna do that.
It's only gonna cost like, what, 47 big greens?
Shout out to Desert Sun 02. He gave me the idea for this. So check out his videos. This is more or less gonna be a how-to video. So if you're expecting something funny or a skit or something, then get the out of here, because this is not what we're doing today. Is it, Joey?
No!
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. First stop, Home Depot. So we need a few things here. Hopefully we can just get them all in one place. But one important thing we really need is a small, low voltage fan. So let's look for that. Into the cosmos. Alright, fan, check.
Fireplaces.
No, Joey. Got pipes. You want to get the blue ones because they're cooler. We got what we needed, so we're so bad at this.
We're gonna go get food and then eat it, and then we're gonna put together
The DIY AC units. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna actually show you how we made it. First we gotta cut a hole, 2 holes, on top of this lid. So you take your pipey and you put it where you want it to go. Thank you. And then you'll just trace it with the writing utensil. And that's it.
That's done.
You want to take your fan and do the same thing. You gotta take it out of the box. Okay. So then I'm probably just gonna have the fan right about here.
You want it roughly the size of your asshole.
When you're actually cutting, at least for where the one that the pipe's gonna go, you want to cut a little smaller than where you actually anticipated, so that it's more snug. Okay, so then we gotta cut the other hole. And I'm gonna cut it a bit wider than the actual line. And I got a Frisbee.
Just like that. It's actually pretty snug.
Yeah. Huh. So then now, all you gotta do is put some cold stuff in it. You take the lid off, and you put cold stuff in there. So now we just gotta get some cold stuff.
So all you gotta do is put the cold stuff in.
You don't have to put tater tots in there.
It's optional.
It's just optional. We usually just put frozen water, which is ice.
Or pancakes.
an air conditioner. You made me an air conditioner. You gotta get some ice in this sucker.
I did. There's not much in it. We can put more in though. Yeah, we made that.
You made me an air conditioner.
You could like put that next to your bed, and you could like have cold air blowing on you, and you could sit in the cold air, and you could be cold. It's great. It's a how-to on make a stupid air conditioner. Who cares? Stop smelling my dick!